Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix code execution cannot proceed because FFMPEG.DLL was not found. You will start by clicking on the Start menu and then on the Shutdown button. Click Restart to restart Windows. When it loads again, right-click on the Start menu and click on Terminal Admin. Click Yes to open the terminal. Here, scan the system file system, run the command sfc/scannow, press Enter. You can see the percentage applied to the analysis. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When it reaches its end, confirm if any corrections were applied. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.